Welcome back to EXPLAINCAD. In this tutorial, we will know about how to use hem tool in sheet metal. The hem feature is used to create curl edges of sheet metal part. Now select hem feature and select edge. I select this edge, and from here you can change the direction, reverse direction. Here is two options: material inside. See in preview, the material is inside, and here bent outside. Type and sizes. First one is closed. In closed, you can specify the length of the hem, and second is open. Here you can specify the length, and here you can specify the gap distance from here to here. I enter 7 mm. The gap is 7 mm here. Custom bend allowance K factor is 0.5. The other remaining things are same. And here is a tear drop. You can specify here the angle, and here you can specify the radius. Suppose I enter 5 mm and change the angle. In tear, this side is intersecting with this base. You can change the angle and the radius. And the next one is rolled. You can specify the radius here. Suppose I enter 4 mm. At here you can change the angle. I enter 270 degree. See the preview. From here you can edit hem. Select this point and drag. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.